With us in the studio now is Jürgen Köppel, a member of the board of the HOMAG Group. Mr. Köppel, half-time at the fair. How satisfied are you so far? You can see I'm smiling. The first 2 days were excellent, and today has also been great so far. It's a very successful fair for us. We at HOMAG keep very accurate statistics, and I think it's fair to speak of a plus of 15 or 16% in terms of visitors, also in terms of quality of visitors. I'm happy to hear that. What about the international visitors? Are you also satisfied there? Absolutely. You can see that the global economy is well on track. We have American visitors, Asian visitors, and I think the only country that's fallen behind a bit is Russia. But the rest of Eastern Europe is still very well represented at LIGNA. And there are Russians here, simply because they want to stay informed, because at some point the economic situation in Russia will improve, and then they will be at the forefront again. What are your personal highlights at the fair? Well, the highlights. I'd say one highlight is definitely our 100-meter plant, where we really want to demonstrate network production. Of course, it took an enormous effort to get this plant here within 10 days. Also with the robotics inside, all the interfaces, all the data, that really is something special and an absolute highlight. And I'd say all the people gathering around it all the time shows that people really are looking for it. LIGNA is a driving force in the industry. What are your expectations for follow-up business after the fair? I mean, you do the groundwork at the fair, and then normally about 12 weeks after the fair, 4 to 6 months later, you find out whether it was a successful fair. But we have a lot of contacts right now, and they want to arrange sales appointments with us, or they want a concrete offer. LIGNA, the follow-up business. If there's no economic turbulence, then 2015 will be a great year. So the fair has definitely been worthwhile for you. What are important topics in the future for you? Well, everyone at the fair is talking about network production, Industry 4.0, and it is a very important topic, but I think sustainability and resource efficiency are equally important. The raw material wood is not available in every part of the world, and therefore I think we have to draw attention to these issues too. There are lots of topics, and of course one of them is network production. With our 100-meter plant we are showing what's possible, but that's not only of interest for industrial companies but also for the carpenter around the corner. And then there is this C2B business, meaning that customers go online, configure their furniture and simply send their order to the carpenter. That's already possible today. Our customers are doing it. Well, good luck here at the fair and thank you for the conversation. Thank you very much and thanks for the invitation.